Hi, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. We're aboard our 2012 Sea Ray 350 Sundance that we just took on trade. Let's go ahead and give you a little walk-through tour. Got a nice size swim platform here on the transom. Fold-down seat in the back with speakers, so when you're hanging out here, we can easily open this seat up, pull it out. And look at this, now you can just hang out on the water, view right out the back. Port side walkthrough. We got a hot and cold freshwater shower coming in through the cockpit. Kenyan barbecue grill, freshwater sink, 12-volt refrigerator, everything you need right here for a really nice weekend on the water. Nice wraparound seating here. So looking back, large, nicely upholstered seat, opposing seating here. Walk forward. I love that this boat has a dual companion helm seat here and another single seat right next to you up front. This boat does have Axius joystick controls, vessel view system, 12-inch Raymarine GPS chart plotter. All the gauges are very clean, clear. And then the 350 was great because you have these large steps here that we can walk right up onto the bow of the boat. You have a pad for the front, 2 extra speakers. Let's go downstairs and show you the cabin. Beautiful cherry wood finishes. So galley to the port. Another 12-volt refrigerator, dual burner cooktop, microwave, and there's the V-berth forward, which I'm going to show you here. It has all the enclosure, so it's got camper canvas enclosure with the bulk screens, as well as the glass behind it, a bed that actuates up and down so you can sit back and watch TV. You also got a large couch area here that transforms into a bed, plenty of storage, and all these hanging lockers, storage above the bed. And then stern, we do have a large seating area. There's all the filler cushions for outside, the bow cushions. Everything you need here is on the boat. Wet head here, vacuum flush toilet, sink. Guys, this boat is available. It's a 2012 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer in MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give us a call, 954-783-9555.